Hello, it's Michael, and welcome to Men's Finest yet again. This is new setup, new lights, new thing, new there, there. You tired of me saying that I've got new stuff? Let's go. And this time it's weird because I have got no bow tie, as you can tell. I've got a necktie, which I can't believe you can actually imagine this, but I've actually tied this myself. So, if I can tie a tie, I'm sure you can tie a bow tie, right? So please do not message me ever again saying that you would have bought my bow tie from my Men's Finest shop, but because they're self-tied and not pre-tied, you can't be bothered. I don't want to know you. Kidding. But please, surely, if I can manage to do a necktie, I'm sure you can do a bow tie, right? And the thing is that a bow tie is such a easy thing to pull off. I don't know why people are getting confused about how difficult and what you have to do in order to actually wear a bow tie, but it's like super easy. You know, for instance, you'll have this Italian velvet bow tie on you, right? I mean, anything could work with this. White shirt, any sort of navy jacket, any sort of dinner party, that sort of stuff, that would work. You know, so if you ever sort of trying to figure out how to tie a bow tie, there is plenty of videos which I can list a link to a playlist just up here so you can actually learn how to do it. But please take this opportunity. I think we've got less and less left as the day goes by, because obviously people buy them. We only make a limited handful of them. We're gonna make a new one, don't worry. But what we're gonna do is we're not gonna have the ones that are available on our website. Just click, have a look. You know, if you're not interested, it's fine, it's okay. We're still gonna be friends, but just take this opportunity to start wearing bow tie if you are a necktie wearer. And you know me and my different and weird way of actually tying a tie, and I've got obviously a weird way to show you today of how to tie a bow tie, which is the weirdest way possible. You know, when you've got your shoelaces, right? How do you tie everyone should know how to tie shoelaces if you're the age above 4, I guess. So you just normally take your shoelaces, right? You do this, and you do this, and you make a little bow, and you go across, you know, and you create this little bow. Because if you are going to look at your shoelaces and how they are tied, they more or less look like this. Do you want me to show you that again? Right, so let's undo this. Let's undo this. So you're not going to get confused ever of how to tie a bow tie. Right, you've got a bow tie, right? I'll sort of swap it so you can see how I'm doing this. So you've got two ends of the bow tie. Shoelaces. Think about shoelaces, right? So you've got shoelaces. You do an initial first knot like this, right? Right, okay. Then you take this one, you create a little bow, and you go over with the other one through the loop, right? And all I'm doing right now is just pulling on the opposite ends. So I'm pulling through this and I'm pulling through the other one. You know, it's not magic. I'm just trying to figure out how, you know, how to pull it so it looks nice. And it looks like this. Like, it's not a rocket science. You don't even have to do that on yourself. You can literally do a knot like you would normally do on a shoelace. Do you want me to show you that again? Right, so you've got that. You know, again, I'll switch it around. You do normal knot, right? You've got those two ends. From one end, you literally create a bow. So you grab it like that, and you go over with the other one, and you push through like you would normally do on shoelaces. Think about the shoelaces, think how you do them, and then apply the same to a bow tie. You know, you would have to just do a bit of a jiggery-boggery here, but it's okay. Like, I want it to look good. So that's why I'm just pulling, seeing what pulls. Okay, what else do I have to, maybe I can pull from this direction now. Okay, that starts to form. You're gonna have to figure it out. Like, if you don't know how to tie a bow tie, I refuse to wear a necktie ever again. Well, I don't, but you know what I'm saying. Like, anyone can actually sort of tie one. You know, that would do. That would do. That's maybe not. Hold on. To just move that. You know, that'd be better than 95% of dudes can probably tie their tie. So I'm sure if you can tie a bow tie like this, you're gonna be alright. I like this one. So guys, please go and check out mensfinest.co.uk. It's the link here to all of the products. We're doing neckties, we're doing pocket squares, we're doing ties. There's lots more sort of videos and products coming in. But I think we sold out on 2 already. So I think there is few summer ones still available. So if you are into your bow ties, into your neckties, into your pocket squares, at least go and check them out. Don't forget to stay stylish. Ciao.